Are you one person who's looking to crack the code on making a first positive impression last? Then this video is for you. Today's toolkit is the B Power. This toolkit will enable you to understand and use the 5-fold strategy to make your first impression last and worthy of the next. So if you are joining me for the first time, I am Master Coach A. You are joining me in this channel and we are doing a 100 Days Life Coaching Toolkit Mastery Challenge. And specifically, I'd like to encourage every coaching professionals to take a look at what we're doing in this channel. You can snag the toolkit for free. Use it for yourself, for your client. Use it to grow and scale your coaching business. Let's dive in. Welcome back to our 100 Days Life Coaching Toolkit Mastery Challenge here in Master Coach A YouTube channel. You are joining me on Day 57. And today's toolkit, we're going to dive into the power, the B power of you making your first impression last. And why this is important? Well, the holiday is upcoming and a lot of activities are gonna go unfolding before you. You're going to be receiving a lot of invitations. You probably would have to represent your company, or you probably have to attend a reunion with your spouse, with your children, with your families. And there's a lot of activities going on. And one of the things that challenges a person is how to make the first impression last, okay? And so a lot of people struggle on attending activities, parties, networking events, and even struggle on making a presentations about their business because of that scary first impression. And a lot of times they say first impression lasts and first impression matter. So how do you do that? I'm sure you've read a lot of books, a lot of materials about making an impression, first impression last. But in today's toolkit and today's conversations, I want to share with you 5B power thing that you will be able to use, unfold, and master. And when you do this, you are sure that your first impression will last and it would make a positive impact, not only to the person in front of you, but of course for you. So let's start. Number one, okay, of the B power. Number one is be authentically interested in the person, in knowing the person in front of you. So whether you're attending a networking meeting, you're attending a school event, you're attending a PTA, you're attending a presentation, or you're having an interview even for your work, or you are presenting to a client, you're meeting for the first time, be authentically interested in knowing the person in front of you. And when I say authentically interested, it means that you want to know who is the person in front of you, more than the gender, more than the title, more than what the person do. Be interested in knowing the sweet spot. And when you talk about the sweet spot, I'm talking about the person's desires, the person wants, beyond what you can normally hear. And so there would be a lot of facets in this, and you will be able to allow the person speak, and you will be able to ask the right questions to know more about the person if you are authentically interested. Number two, be in the posture of creating and providing value. So this is twofold, okay? Be in the posture of creating and providing value. And what does it mean? When you create value, it means in the moment, you're able to create value for the person. And one of the easiest, the simplest way to create value in that moment in time is for the person to feel valued, okay? So for the person feel that he or she in front of you is more than a number, more than another name, more than another face or another client. The person needs to feel valued at that moment in time. And when you're able to do that, then you already created a value for that person, and that would last. The other thing is creating value. When you look at the person in the eyes, when you have the conversations, and through the conversation, it allows you to put yourself in a position of, what can I create for this person? Can I create connections? Can I create a new product? Can I create a new program? Can I create the next meeting? Can I create a bridge from where the person now to where the person wants to be? So it means that you are not offering something that has been fabricated or done or used, but at that moment, you want to create something of value for the person. Number 3 of our 5-fold B power is this. Be human. And you say, of course, I'm human, Master Coach. But here, be human means be less perfect and be more relatable. Oftentimes, when we attend activities, when we attend presentations, when we attend gatherings, we want to be coming in with just like photo finish perfect from head to toe, and as if we are so mindful and so meticulous of how we appear, how we look, how we speak, our grammar, and all of these things. And the person in front of us can feel that, and that's like robotic. Okay, so be human, be a person less perfect, allow flaws to come in, and it's okay, because being human means you have flaws, but you are authentically coming forward because you want to create that relationship and interaction with the person in front of you. Be human, be less perfect, but be more relatable. Okay. Number 4 is be an excellent listener. And being an excellent listener, not just a good listener, be excellent in listening. And being an excellent listener means you are able to find that sweet spot. And that sweet spot happens when you are able to bring confidence. Let me repeat that. Sweet spot is you being able to bring that confidence to the person in front of you, for the person in front of you to speak of their dreams, their vision, their desires, and what they wanted to do in life. And why it is the sweet spot? Because whether you are coming in there to present a product, you are coming in there to build relationship, you are coming in there as just one of the parents in the PTA or your child's activity, or you're coming in there as a partner of your spouse, you allowing the person to be confident of their vision, their dreams, their aspirations, you are putting a seed for future conversation, for future connections, and for future partnership, or for future collaborations. Number 5, be worthy of the next meeting. Remember this thing that real valuable things deserve a second look. It speaks the same way in terms of connection. Be worthy of the next conversation, of a next meeting, a next appointment. Well, the first impression lasts, the first meeting lasts, when you know that they're going to be next. This is Master Coach A, and if you are meeting me for the first time, I am the founder and the creator of Life Coach Philippines, where you can learn, master, and joyfully journey in becoming a professional certified life coach. We offer 40 units credit of CPD program for those of you who wants to dive into professional life coaching, because right now in the season of our lives, life coaching is something that you can use not only for your family, but also in your organizations, in your church, and in your community. So I'd like to invite you to visit us. If you're coming from the Philippines, visit our coaching hub at Decaf Coffee Republic. This is located inside Pioneer Center Compound along Pioneer Road, corner Brixtons and United States Capitolio, Pasig City. Join us in the tribe building of the next game changers the world is looking score. So this is Master Coach A, and I'll see you again tomorrow for day 58. Have a great day.